So, well, now let's create our visualizations for the new measures that we have created. Let's close this. Let's open a new window on Excel. Let's open the Power View for data visualization. And now let's start adding some fields. Well, first of all, I think that we could start by the quality of the service. Let's start doing a dashboard for the quality of the service that we offer. Let's select the satisfaction survey. Where is over here, and let's click on average to see the average. So the average of the satisfaction survey within our company is 6.52 in a scale from 1 to 10. Let's add a card for this. That's better. Now, what else can we add over here? Let's add the percentage of the property quality. So over here, the bigger. Let's resize this over here. Okay, better here, and this one here. All right. Let's add a target. Okay. So well, as we can see, more than the 50% of our properties, whereas if it is a rent or a sale, more than 50% of the properties, it has a C quality. Now, seeing this, let's find out if the quality of the property, it could potentially affect to possible more incomes in the future. So let's create a new table to quality and the average of the import. Let's convert this into euros and only two. Let's make it bigger. Let's filter the entire page by the type of operation. All right. And for example, let's see what happened with the sales. Oh wow. As we can see here, the it was pretty much obvious that if you sell better quality houses, you could we could get more incomes from it. So it's kind of worrying that more than 50% of our properties, it's C quality. So this might be a special alert for the company. So we should get more quality of the properties that we offer to the customers. What else can we add over here? Maybe, okay, now the satisfaction average is over is it is made by the customers over the commercial agent that did the transaction. So let's add the commercial. Let's add satisfaction survey. No, let's make an average. Let's convert this into no, just numbers. And let's use a bar chart. Okay, that's better. Now let's let's add some color to different to make the difference between brand or sale type of operation on the legend. Okay, that's right. As we can see over here, we have, for example, this agent commercial Sandra. She got an 8.5 in a scale from 1 to 10 in rent transactions, but she gets only a 5.5 in sales transactions. It happens in the opposite way with this agent over here. He got an 4.6 in rent transactions and a 9 in sales transactions. This could be a nice indicator for, uh, for example, this could means that this agent he he's more comfortable with only sales transactions because maybe the commission is higher. For example, with Sandra, it might be happening in the opposite way. She's more comfortable with rent transactions, maybe because she is better offering this kind of service. So what else can we add to this visualization over here? Maybe the quality of the properties and the count of ID. Let's count a column chart. Okay. Okay. So well, as I said before, we obtain some useful data from these visualizations over here. And I think the most important it is that we have to improve the quality of the properties that we offer in order to get more potentially incomes. As we can see here, the higher is the quality, the higher is the import of that property, and we could get more revenues because in in sales we get the 5% of the total value of the property. Remember that. And it happens pretty much the same with the rent and the qualities. It is a huge difference. I mean, almost 300 euros difference between the A quality and C quality. And of course, we could filter this visualization here by drag and drop. Well, we already had the operation. By drag and drop the province, for example, where is the province? And to see what happened with the quality in each province. Let's say, for example, Madrid. Oh wow, Madrid, we have better quality properties than, for example, let's say Granada. Yes, a little bit better. Madrid, we have more A properties, and of course, you can also filter by year or a quarter. Let's say, for example, by let's this 2020 on the first quarter. Filter by, you can add also the commercial over here, but well, we already have it in this visualization pane. So well, I think this is a good dashboard to summarize what is happening with the quality of our service within our company. So what else? Let's create another visualization over here. All right. And let's create a visualization for the business income. Let's call it the business value. And let's create a matrix table with the year, maybe the quarter, the revenues for the rents, the sales income, and total income. Let's add a matrix and let's turn this into right. Let's add just one decimal over here. All right. Put it bigger. Let's make it bigger. All right. So I think it is a good table to summarize our our sales, and our rent. Let's count this no. Let's remove this field. Let's add, let's add the year, but ¿qué coño quiere?